In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prompt Higgsfield AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the platform, choose the right creation path, and craft prompts that produce the results you want. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Higgsfield AI. Use your preferred search engine and look closely at the results. You're looking for the official site, so check the domain spelling and make sure it looks reputable before you click. This helps you avoid copycat pages and gets you to the real tool quickly. Once you see the official result, click through to the home page. On the landing page, find the option to sign up or log in. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new, choose Sign Up and follow the on-screen guidance. Getting into your workspace ensures your settings are saved and you can access your generations later. Next, decide what you want to create. Higgsfield AI supports multiple modes like images, video, audio, or chat, and your choice here shapes everything that follows. Keep your creative goal in mind. For an image, you might focus on composition and style. For video, think movement and pacing. For audio, consider tone and texture. And for chat, clarity and context are key. Hover over the main creation tab to see the available engines. Each engine is designed for a particular output or aesthetic. Read the short descriptions or hover tooltips to understand what each one is optimized for. Pick the engine that best suits your project's needs. Click the engine you want to use to open its workspace. You'll see an open text field where your prompt goes, along with controls below it. In the prompt box, type a clear, specific description of what you want. Start with the subject, then add important attributes like style, mood, lighting, or era. Keep it unambiguous and avoid contradictory directions. If you need a particular look or behavior, spell it out plainly. Right below the prompt, adjust the settings to guide the result. Choose the model if multiple versions are available. Newer models often provide more detail or stability. Set the aspect ratio to match your intended output, like square for profiles or widescreen for presentations. Pick a quality level that balances detail with speed. Higher quality can take longer. Set batch size if you want several variations generated at once, which is great for comparison. Explore any additional options shown for your engine and only tweak what you understand. When everything looks good, click Generate. Give the system a moment to process. If the result isn't quite right, refine your prompt, adjust a setting or two, and generate again until it matches your vision.